Hello everyone, Carson here, back on New York Times Sudoku. Today is November 9th, 2023. Let's start the hard puzzle, or hard Sudoku for today. Okay, so alright. Let's start up here. We got these 8s pointing left, so 8 goes in one of these two. And then let's just look at all 8s at once. These 8s, they point down, and this cell also sees another 8, so 8 in this box is actually forced to be in this cell. You can kinda update on that. 8's in one of these two, so this can't be 8. Okay, so I think that's about it for 8's. Let's look at 5's. Yeah, why not? Because literally these two cells see a 5, so 5 is placed in the cell for that box. These point right, this cell also sees another 5. 5 is forced. It's forced to be in that cell. And before I follow up on this, actually spot something else. Also 5's. This 5 points left and this 5 points down. So 5 in box 7, 5 in this box. Actually, it has to go in column 2. It has to go in column 2 because these cells see another 2. See another 5. So these can't be 5. So these 5, these 5's, and also this 5 forces 5 to go in this cell for this box, and we can follow up. These point right to put a 5 here. Alright, so yeah, the last pair of 5's, these point down. So we've got these 5's left, which for now we cannot solve, but hopefully we can get some more information about that. So I want to know what these two cells are. I mean, what digits go in these two cells, 4 and 7. For row 2, 1, 4, and 8. This only that cells. Okay, this cell sees 4 as well, but that is not completed yet, I would say. Okay, we got these 2's pointing right. 2 goes here. And then 1, 4, and 9 for this box. So 9's must go here. These 9's point left. And with these 9's pointing up, we can actually place the 9 in this cell. In that cell. Okay. Oh, actually, this 9 points to the right, this 9 points up. So 9 in this box, 9 in box 6, it must go in column 9. Which means this cannot be a 9. If I place a 9 here, there'll be nowhere to put a 9 in this box, so this can't be 9. This must be a 9. For this column as well, because none of the cells can be 9. It must go there. Okay, and then these 9's. Put a 9 in one of these two. Row 1, 1, 4, and 7. Okay, so this is actually a quadruple. A quad. You don't really see quads as often as you see pairs and triples, but sometimes they do appear. So these 4 cells must, I mean, the digits that go in these 4 cells must be 1, 4, 7, and 8. And if I put these 4 digits in these 4 cells, so if I put a 1, 4, 7, 8 in one of these two, like, there would be an extra cell left with no digits, and at the same time, one of the digits cannot go in this box. Or you could have seen, instead of looking at the quad, you can see 3, 6, and 3, 6 here. They point left. So no matter what, this is a 3, 6 pair, and this is a 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7, 8 quadruple. But yeah, no matter what, these three must be a 3 and 6. This tells these 3. So this is actually, it goes like that. Alright. Oh, this was never a 1. This was never a 1. Don't know why I didn't see that. Alright, anyway. These are solved. This is now a 4. This is an 8. Alright, I guess it goes like that. Now I've got a bunch of digits to follow up on. For example, this 4 forces a 4 to go in this cell. For the 3s, maybe not the 3s. This is 1, 7 for the column. And maybe, oh, 7, 9 pair, because this 7 and this 7 joins up with the 9. So this 7, 9 pair. And then these 7s point down, 7 in one of these two, actually in column 7. 1, 4, and 7 go in the remaining 3 open cells. Sorry, this is not 4. So that means if this is a 7, 9 pair, this is also a pair for the other 2 cells. This is the 3. So 2 and 3 go like this. And then these 2's, put a 2 in one of these 2 actually, 1, 2, 4 triple for these 3. Okay, so for this column, for column 8, 1, 2, 4, and 6. No, this can't be 7, sorry. So 6 must go down here. These 8s, one of these 2. Sorry, that's a fly. Gosh. Okay, and then these 3s, the Celsius is another 3, so 3 goes in one of these 2. 3 goes in one of these 2 because of these 3s. This is kinda tricky, honestly. Oh, never mind, because I just bought a 1, 7 pair. So yeah, both of these cells. So basically only 1 and 7 can go in both of these cells. So that means these 2 cells are reserved for 1 and 7. None of these can be 1 and 7. So these 4 cells, digits that go in these 4 cells, 2, 3, 6, and 8. 2, 3, 6, and 8 go in these cells. 2, 3, 6, and 8. 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 But also, I see another thing. Because I was looking at these 4 digits, and also these, you can see that box 8, this box, is completely empty. So yeah, you can't really spot something directly to eliminate some options. But what I just saw, because of this 1-7 pair, 7 does not go here. So these 7s point down, because it can't go here. And we've got these 7s pointing down. So 7 must go in one of these two. And that forms a 5-7 pair, because both 5 and 7 must go in these two cells. So that removes the 9 from there, places the 9 here. We've got 9 on one of these two. And after we found this 5-7 pair, we can see this 4 points down, and this 4 pointing right as well. So that actually places the 4 in the cell. And then removes the 4 in both of these, places the 4 here, and then 1-7 pair makes this the 6, 4 here, and then, yeah. Okay, the last 4 for the puzzle goes here. That also removed one of the possibilities for 9. 9 goes here, 7, 9 like this. 9s are done. Okay. Lots of things to look at, actually. These 3 are 1, 6, and 8. 1s go down here, because these can't be 1, these can't be 1. Because of this 5-7 pair, this is a 2-3 pair, but this cell sees a 3, so these are... they go like that. The 3s... oh, these 3s and this 3 forces the 3 to go here, and all 3s are done. Okay, so this is 1, 6, or 8. Okay, I guess all of them are possible for now. One, 2, 6, 8. 1 and 6 only. 1, 2, 6, 8. Okay. 1, 6, 8 for these. 1, 2, 6 for row 6. 1, 2, 7, and 8. So these 7s point left. 7 in one of these two. For column 3, 1, 2, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 6, and 7. 1, 1, 2. I feel like clues for 1 is very limited. Oh, 1s can only go in these two. This can't be 1, sorry. So that means in this row, this can't be 1. 1 has to go in one of those two. These can't be 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, okay. So 2 here points down and 2 here points left. So 2 in box 7, it must go in column 2. These point up. So there we go. We found a point that kind of broke the puzzle. No, not broke the puzzle, but kind of, you know, found a spot to progress. Okay, so I guess this is also possible to be a 2. No, this is not, because 2, as I just said, it points out from the box below. Okay, so this one makes that a 7, 1, 7. This is a 6, 1. Right? Yeah. Okay. So 5 and 7 like this. This is a 5. 7 points right. 1 and 7. This is now a no. Wait, what? Oh. 1, 2, and then 2, 8, and alright. So I finished today's hot Sudoku in about 14.5 minutes. I would say that's decent. So yeah, just starting off at the top. I think it's a very good approach because a lot of digits are given. So start at the top and then hopefully you can find all the pairs and triples. I think the 7-9 pair on the right is easy to spot. And also, right off the bat, box 2, just get it done. And then try to get more digits. And yeah, box 8 might get a little bit tricky. It might be a little bit tricky, but yeah, when you found the 1-7 pair, I think it's like once you find the 1-7 pair in this row, and you see and you pay attention to column 6 and row 8, you can actually say it's a 4-5-7-9 quadruple in box 8, but different approach, so it's alright. Anyway, today's Sudoku is November 9th, 2023. Yeah, New York Times hot Sudoku. That's it for today. See you all in tomorrow. Bye!